door service. Straight out to the fridge and the canopy. Happy days. Tell me what the colours.
It's orange, blue,
Yep.
pink,
Yep.
and yellow. Yellow, orange,
Yellow orange.
green.
Oh.
You see fishies?
It is pretty.
Creatures are in these tanks. Let me see what's in this one.
Yeah. Wow.
There's a bug in that one.
Just look how flat it goes out, just a little bit over here. Like on the rock.
Pretty good here.
It is pretty.
Maybe we can swim here tomorrow. And we can swim here tomorrow with it warm.
Maybe. Oh, it's a fail. Can you hear the rain? So good to be in a cabin tonight. The rain sounds amazing on the tin roof. Okay, go for the boulder. Mummy can't do it. Hold in your hand. Good girl. Whew.
And another place.
Yeah.
Hi.
Ooh, very cloudy. Look at that pattern on the block.
It looks like somebody's mouth.
It does.
In somebody's mouth.
Whose mouth are you in?
A rock monster.
A rock monster.
Out you come.
Oh, okay.
You get back up these
I'm
stairs.
number 3.
Okay.
I like all the clips around.
There you go. Finally made it to Wineglass Bay.
You lie down there?
Are you in the chair? Relaxing. The saddle chair. The saddle seat. Oh, everyone in the saddle seat. You look so tiny in that seat.
To swim maybe, Mum.
Maybe. Oh, going around some boulders, aren't we?
You're doing a really good job.
You're nearly there.
That looks like another tree.
Oh no, I think they're little. No, they're not. They're from the trees. I don't know. Oh, go for the boulders.
How do I sit? Guys, it's flying. I can get out. I want to fly now. Help! 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 Please, I didn't come in.
You're being eaten by a whale.
Keep walking. Okay, see? Huh? It's a bit prickly, isn't it? But that's okay. Now wrap that around you. What? What's wrong? Yeah. You get a photo with Mum.
Did you have fun swimming? Yeah?
Ich kann Schüsse to swim now. Sister! Sister! Swim twice, swim with your noodle and my noodle. Where's my other noodle?
There we go. Okay. It's cold. Oh. Ew, it's salty. New Year's Eve is watching Kicking It on YouTube, eating cheese, cherries, raspberries and strawberries and some bickies. Yeah, great times. We might actually try and go for a walk down to the beach for sunset. Green Island chocolate. I think mine was the orange one, so I'm going to have a go and see what it's like. Okay, down the scissors. Got my chocolate. Got the cricket on in the background. I'm going to have a go at this. Orangey.
I can't.
Crack, crack, crack.
Shake it and then crack it.
Okay, maybe you hold this. You hold that up. Ready? Ready? Oh, this is green.
Green.
You shake it. You do the shaking. Okay. Do you want me to put it on you?
Yeah. Time to glue off. Don't you get? You want me to
Okay, go.
just shake it?
No, you shake and crack. Crack, crack, crack. Just do that.
How?
Okay. Holding, holding. Ready? Cracking.
Okay, what?
1, 2, 3. Help me.
Come on.
Now you shake it. Good work.
Where's my
Crack it.
Crack it. Shake it. Take some cup. Oh, Mom,
You hold mine?
Yeah,
Yeah, yours is bright. Can I do mine?
Yeah.
Hold mine? Okay, ready? What colour's mine?
Pink. Ready?
Oh, mine's going to light up.
Huh? What is that?
There you go. There you go. That song, Danielle. Oh, you want to go to the pub?
Yeah.
I think you're a little bit too young to go to the pub on New Year's Eve.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're okay. You go down the path? Go down here? Where are we going? We go this way.
I was such an awkward smile on my face.
Girls, do you want to get a photo with the sun setting?
Yes, please.
Over here? You can come on the rocks.
Happy New Year's. Today we're not having any fireworks because we're at Tasmania and we can't see any fireworks. That's okay. We're still having fun.
Yeah, and you're still seeing the sunset?
My turn. Okay. Okay. You ready?
Yep.
Okay. Happy New Year's. But it's not fireworks. You know why we're not fireworks? We're in Tasmania. And Tasmania don't have fireworks. And
Well, I don't think it's Tasmania. I think it's Coles Bay because it's a national park, sweetie.
Because you can't go far away.
Yeah.
Oh,
Sun.
look. Oh no. Wait, Mom.
Yeah, silly done.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Mom, you can say that, Mom.
Oh, it's gone.
Mom, you can
Or maybe we can go up and listen to the music.
But Mom, you can look down there.
Yeah. Hey, Baba.
Yeah.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
There you go, because I don't think you'll stay awake till 12, so
Yeah.
Happy New Year's.
Happy New Year. But I'm gonna fall asleep when we.
You ain't treating me right. Come back again. I'm just crazy about you, babe. I spoke to your mom and then I spoke to your dad. You said I was crazy, baby, it feels sad. Come back again. I'm just crazy about you, babe. Feeling so sad, so alone too. Don't know how it is to you. Sad, lonely blues. Come back again. I'm just crazy.
Hey, Baba. Happy New Year, okay? It's night time now, so it's pretty much New Year's. So you say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Kisses? Oh, kisses. I want kisses. There you go.
What do you say?
Come over here.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
So it's 10:15 on New Year's Eve. So exciting. He's fallen asleep watching the cricket. Like snoring, falling asleep. I am still watching, I can't see it, Kinging It. That's what I'm watching at the moment. And the girls, it's going to be pitch black, you won't see them, but they're out. All you can see is their glow sticks. So, signing off with a Happy New Year's from us at 10:15. Let's see if I clock back on again at 12. Probably not.
I'm ready to go. Dad, I'm ready